know why we are here. We are here to honor this man. This is a man you would follow to the ends of the earth. A warrior, if you will. A warrior that combats evil. One who brandishes the sword of truth and holds the shield of justice. In fact, one who embodies righteousness. All of his followers here today know of all of his deeds. A quote, give to the poor philosopher. A people come first kind of guy. I know you all feel the same as I when I say, vote for John Kerry for president! Oh, John Kerry, let's welcome in John Kerry for president! John Kerry! Where is John Kerry? This isn't the John Kerry rally?
No.
Never mind.
I don't know what that was.